another day, another English lesson. About versus around, frequent mistakes. About and around can be confusing because they are sometimes used in the same way, but they also have different meanings and uses. Section 1. About. Use about when talking about a topic, subject, or an approximate number. Examples. This book is about animals. The subject of the book is animals. There are about 20 people in the room. The number could be a little less or a little more than 20. 2. Around. Use around when talking about location, movement, or something surrounding something. You can also use it to show an approximate number. Examples. The kids ran around the park. They moved in different directions inside the park, or they circled the park. She put a fence around the garden. The fence is along the outside of the garden. I have around 20 books on my shelf. The number could be a little less or a little more than 20. 3. How they are similar. Both about and around can be used for approximate numbers. About 50 people came to the party. Around 50 people came to the party. Both are correct in this case. 4. How they are different. About usually a topic or subject, a movie about friendship. Around usually location, movement, or surrounding. Walk around the block, fence around the garden. Now watch and complete the sentences with about, around, or about, around. One. There is a wooden fence around the garden. Two. She gave a lecture about saving money. 3. There are about around 50 people in the park. 4. This book is about dinosaurs. 5. There are about around 12 apples in the basket. 6. Birds are flying around the plane. 7. We had a meeting about the new schedule. 8. The house is about around 50 feet from the lake. 9. The children ran around the playground. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.